We've got Cayman in the house today from S&B, guys. Welcome. Thank you for coming out, Cayman. Today we are talking about the 17 to 19 intake system for the 6.7 Powerstrokes. I know it's hard to see me over this massive intake box, but Cayman, tell us about this entire kit.
So the 17 to 19 Powerstroke is a different kind of kit for us. We relocated the battery on that truck. So usually the battery is in the front and the intake's in the back. So the air has to come underneath the battery, scoop up into the intake kit. Then the intake tube has to make a big 90 over to the throttle body. So this is the new battery tray. This is the new battery tray relocation bracket. This is our massive air box, and this is our dry synthetic filter. So this kit flows 57% better than the factory intake kit, and it's still 99.51% efficient, meaning it's still gonna protect your engine, and it's gonna flow a whole heck of a lot better than the factory intake. This is our massive intake tube that works with the MAF sensor, so no need for a tune or anything. All of our couplers, seals, components are all made out of a premium silicone rubber that's super nice to the touch and just gonna last a lifetime in your hot engine bay.
And everything included to install, correct?
Yes, sir.
Everything included to install, guys. And you guys have been trusting S&B for years and years and years. When you see that S&B logo, you know you're getting premium quality products. If you guys are looking for an intake for any truck out there, hit the link in our description or visit decentpowerproducts.com. Thank you for coming out, Cayman.
Thank you.